Not touching. So I came around this empty trailer here to park there next to that dumpster like normal, and I find Dollar General blocking the alleyway that leads behind a bingo hall, behind a feed store, behind a Dollar General, a grocery store, a rent-a-center, and some clothing store. Dude has decided that this is the best spot to sleep until DG opens, when he could have pulled up next to the tree line there. He had 5 feet more down his left that he could have parked. Instead, he decided to leave no space.